sa ano po ang sinabi ni Senator Sherwin Gatchalian at ang iba pong umating po doon sa
actually, ang pinaka-reason ng invitation ng Senate, it was a Senate inquiry actually. Kasi previous to that, nagkaroon ang first resolution was submitted by the Congress, hindi ang Senado. It was Congressman Romulo and another one, so hindi ko nakuha, that they are actually strongly recommending the suspension of regular lessons and give way to the implementation of the learning recovery curriculum, parang using Region 5's model. So, pinaghugutan yon ni Senator Gatchalian ng kanyang resolution also on the suspension of the teaching of regular lessons, at least in grades 1, 2, and 3, this coming school year, yung susunod na taon na 2025-2026, and again, using the model. So, naka-embed, clearly stated, yung 8-week learning recovery curriculum ng Region 5 as a model. Now, anong naging recommendation? What transpired during the Senate inquiry? They're actually concerned, not necessarily in Region 5 eh. Kasi Senator Gatchalian highly commended Region 5 for this initiative. So sabi nga nila, they are very happy, they commend Region 5 through the leadership of R.D. Gilbert Sansan for coming up this initiative. At alam niyo yung sinabi nila, ito actually dapat ang tama, na right after pandemic, nag-intervention kayo. Ang sinasabi nila sa Central Office, 3 taon na, nagpaplano pa lang kayo. Sabi nga ni Senator Binay, ang nag-pandemic ngayon, nandun na sa higher grade levels. So dapat silang hinahabol ninyo. So ang sinasabi ngayon ng Senate, baka hindi na siya about learning recovery. Baka it is introducing an intervention curriculum to enhance literacy and numeracy in the early grades. Nakukuha ninyo? Kasi ang learning recovery, nag-ugat siya dahil sa pandemya. Pero sinasabi nga ng mga senador, ang mga bata ngayon na 1, 2, 3, hindi na sila produkto ng pandemya. At the time, nasa preschool pa lang sila. Baka ang iniisip ninyo is an intensified literacy and numeracy intervention. So yun muna ang ayusin ninyo. They don't see any problem with the adoption of the 8-week curriculum, pero baka hindi na rin siya fitted as a learning recovery curriculum. Baka mas fitted siya into an intervention curriculum. Kasi hindi na siya applicable ngayon. Uulitin natin, yung 1, 2, 3 ngayon, nung panahon ng pandemya, preschool pa lang po sila. Pero yung nasa pandemya, nasa 3, 4, 5 na sila. Sila dapat ang hinahabol ninyo kung seryoso kayo on learning recovery. Okay?